How to log out of Messenger. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to ensure the security of your Messenger account by logging out after each session, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through the straightforward steps to log out of Messenger. Let's get started. First and foremost, open up your Messenger application. Tap on hamburger icon at the top, click on settings icon, scroll down. Under safety section, tap on switch account, long press on your account. As you can see, we are not getting delete option, which indicates there's no official way to sign out from Messenger. But it is possible. Follow along with my legitimate solution. In order to sign out in Messenger, firstly you have to log out the same Facebook account linked with Messenger without saving password. For that, open up Facebook application, tap on hamburger icon at the top. You will land on the menu page. Over here, tap on logout. This step is very important. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to save your login credentials. Make sure to always tap on Not Now. Select Logout. To remove the account credentials completely, tap on the settings icon at the top. Select Remove Profile. Finally, tap on Remove. And you are all set for logging out Messenger as well. Close your Facebook application and come to your mobile home screen. Uninstall your Messenger application. Long press on the app icon. Tap on App Info. At the bottom, tap on Uninstall and select OK. Now open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger. Install the application. It will take some time. Have patience. As you can see on my home screen, I have installed it. Open up your Messenger application and boom, you have successfully logged out from your Messenger account. You will need to enter email address or mobile number including your password to access your Messenger account. If Messenger comes up with an update including direct method to log out from the application, then I will surely update you guys. Till date, there's no such option inside Messenger, so follow along my shown solution to log out your Messenger account. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.